Well, thank you very much, Gary. So here we are at the world famous Jack Arnfield gym in Hambleton, Lancashire, and we're here to see two of the best boys in the business. One of them all the way from Scotland, Calum the Beast Callachan, and he's up against that hard-nosed Englishman, Liam the Driller Killer Griffin. And I think these two boys, neither of them are going to want to screw this one up. The contest is brought to you today by Phillips Ultimate Screws, the best screws in the business, by the way. The people who brought you the Phillips screw and the Posi drive.
Let's get ready to rumble! Welcome to the Ultimate 1 Minute Challenge, brought to you by the Phillips Screw Company. In the contest of 3 1-minute rounds to determine the winner. Introducing the contenders. In the red corner from Oakwood Garden Rooms in Leeds, representing England, Liam the Driller Killer Griffin. And in the blue corner from Elmwood Carpentry in Edinburgh, representing Scotland, Calum the Beast Callachan. No biting, no eye gouging, no tickling, no monkey businesses of any sort, and any kind, and may the best man win.
That's them both staring into a big block of wood. And there she is, the Barbie doll.
3, 2,
Oh, as you can see, the Scotsman straight away, leg up action. The Englishman, oh, the Englishman, oh, wee bit weak, oh. Calum is clearly more fit for this one. The Englishman there, the referee making sure that both boys do not drill or screw around. Englishman there just slipped, oh. And there we are, fight fans, exactly what we wanted to see. Both boys screws into bits of wood. Exactly what we wanted to see.
20 seconds to go.
Scotsman with his leg up. That's it. There we are, some great screwing action. Englishman grabs the screw right there, and there he goes, the Scotch boy takes advantage. And with that, I think he's 2 screws up. Calum takes it. Easy. You Sassenach, sorry. Easy round 1 there to Calum the Scotsman.
Well, we can say that.
Oh, bit of controversy there. The Englishman never put in the screw in the first round. The second screw never went all the way in.
6, 7,
Now that goes to your judge's count right there.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
20! 20 screws driven for the Englishman.
Calum, sir. Yeah, they're all in. Calum, I can see.
Nain hanging out for Calum, he drives him all the way in.
7,
Andy Bodum, the match referee right there.
13, 14, 15, 16,
Knows what he's doing, he's been screwing for years.
20, 21, 22, 23,
24 screws for Calum, the driven Scotsman. Scotland wins the first round. There she is, the Barbie doll. Right there, doll, round 2.
Yeah, going in with more experience, bigger, stronger, faster. Let's do this.
Both boys now drills against the wood, and away we go again. Calum again, the Scotsman with a leg up action. Now the Englishman's got his specs on. Well, let's make a difference this round. He's no slipping. Both boys taking their time, making sure they're driving them both in. Both in. These screws goes all the way in. These screws are the best screws in the So excited to watch two men screwing one bit of wood. Notice there's no Welshman here. Oh, and the crowd gone a bit crazy there. Calum, oh, dropped a wee bit of screw. Oh, and the glasses seem to be working for the Englishman. Oh, he seems to be taking it. No, I think he is. He's taking it. Oh, the Englishman I think's taking this one. And the crowd go mental.
So
23 for Calum Callachan, the leg up Scotsman. Did the glasses make a difference for the Englishman? Did the glasses make a difference?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
24! The glasses made a difference there for Darren. Can I just say that the referee's also English? Nobody did a second count there, by the way. But anyway, the screws are fantastic.
Easy work for you. Younger, faster, sharper. Don't let an old man beat you. You've got more than him. You've got height, you've got reach. Easy.
Glasses on for Englishmen. Here we go, both boys. Drills against the wood. Both boys drilling into the wood. Two men drilling into a bit of wood again. With silky smooth, the best Phillips screws in the business. Oh, the Englishman's dropped the screw. Oh, Calum takes control. Look at his shoulder. He's not using his leg this time. But he's using his shoulder. He's using his head. He's got his head against the wood. Oh, go on the Scot. Oh, the Scotsman. Both boys desperate to win this. This is a battle. A battle of the screw, of the finest screwy kind. Don't screw this up. Whoever screws this round up is a loser. Screw McScrewy holds a record here for 56 screws in 1 minute, by the way. Oh, the Englishman dropped it again. No! I think that's easy, Scotland. Here he is. Counting that up. The crowd are quiet. They're all no drinking their screwdriver cocktails. 24 screws again for the Scotsman. $20 for the English. That's it. 2 rounds to 1 to Scotland. The Scotland win. Scotland are easy, the best screwers in the land. Go on, Scotland. Calum, he's the best screwer. Now, can anybody beat that? All you got to do is put screws in a bit of wood. Time yourself in and out for 1 minute. See if you can beat that. You ready?
So Calum, how are you feeling?
Good, really tired but good. Liam was a great competitor, obviously the favourite going to the fight, but like he said, there can only be one and it was always going to be me. I knew that, he knew that.
Anyway, you want to take part of this? Who's going to be a contender? Do you think you can do better than Calum? All you got to do, send us a video, you, one timer, put the screws in a bit of wood, see if you can beat it. You'll win yourself some fantastic screwy prizes. Come on boys, show us how well you can screw.